My name's Brent Wheeler. I actually drove by the location when they first changed over to the garage, and I thought it was a pretty trendy name, so I stopped in to see what was going on. And that was probably, 10 years ago? Probably. No, when I first stopped in, I learned Roy was actually a 4-star mechanic, which I've never met one before. Really knows his stuff in his shop. My background, my family had a dealership, and I used to run 2 used car lots back in the late 80s, early 90s. And looking at their shops, always clean and organized. So I'm very impressed with the operation they have. And customer service is always great. I have tried some of the dealerships, and without naming names, one of the dealerships tried to get me to do a $1,800 repair, which I got a second opinion. I came over here, and it just cost me $250 for a new starter. So they earned my business 100% then, yeah. So I would totally recommend them, yeah.